On Friday this week, Makerere University Convocation, an association of alumni and current staff of Makerere University, will hold their elections. However, only a few alumni have registered to vote, according to Lawrence Alionzi, the Makerere University Guild President.
What the alumni can't do for a university that has been existing for 100 years. And we can, if you want us to go into the enticing math of calculating how many alumni are actually out there, and then we compare it to how many are participating in this particular election.
Cato Martins, an aspiring executive committee member, says there have been inconsistencies in the election process.
For example, as of now, voting is tomorrow, but you can also believe me that the registers are not yet out to completion. So how do you expect this thing to come to light? Even the registers that are out have a lot of mishaps. For example, receipt numbers don't correlate, that's one. Two, names are repeatedly and repeated.
Another aspirant highlighted the importance of mobilizing the alumni and bringing them closer to different projects that happen in the university.
Work as a force to make sure we really try to look for these projects. We mobilize for resources, we sensitize the alumni about the projects that are taking place in Makerere, so that we can see a better Makerere University.
The Makerere University Convocation Association derives its legal mandate from the Universities and Other Tertiary Institutions Act. All graduates of Makerere University are members, and those that subscribe comprise of the General Assembly, which is the supreme decision-making organ of the convocation. It is run by an executive elected after 4 years. The academic registrar is the secretary of the convocation. Gloria Irankunda, Church of Uganda Family TV News at